Mahek and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to fix your broken eyeshadow, your highlighter, your blush or anything else. For this, all you need is rubbing alcohol, and I bought this from Amazon. I will share a link if you want to buy. Some tissues, clear tissues, a brush maybe, some cleaning foil, a spatula. So let's start. This is the condition of my blush. What I'm gonna do, take the clean foil, cover it. I'm here using a spoon to break the film. Get out the fine powder. Take it out. Okay, now I'm going to shake it a little. I'm using a tongue cleaner now. Comes easy. Once it is dried, or you can maybe clean it, the clean tissue. Leave it to dry a little. Now my brush, and I'm good to go.